This is the exact business model which helped me to go from cleaning toilets with -7 pounds in my bank account to making $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And as you can see, these are all of my monthly recurring revenue clients, anywhere from 97, 497, 197, even 297 clients. And these are my actual agency clients inside my Stripe, unlike other gurus who just show you their screenshot of their Stripe account. And with this exact business model, I helped my coaching members like Andre to close $5,000 deal last month and Jamie to close 10 monthly recurring revenue clients in just 2 weeks. So you can see that this business model, it's not just working for me, it's also working for you guys, even if you don't have any experience. So watch this video until the end to know how I do this so that you can do the same. So this is what I do to make $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue. So I look for businesses who don't have a website and I give them a free website. Again, nothing in life, it's free. It's just a templated website. It's just going to take you 5 to 10 minutes to set it up for your client. And I charge them a hosting fees anywhere from $97 to $297 to $497 as you've seen on the Stripe account. And I also collect, upsell the website for 5-page website to get $1,000 to $2,000 to even $3,000 for each client. So this is exactly how Andre got his $5,000 by upselling the website with just giving the outreach, free outreach. So when you do the free outreach, you get more leads. And when you have more booked meetings, you can upsell the 5-page or 10-page website to more clients. And that's how Andre managed to close the $5,000 deal plus $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And I wanted to address this question which I've been getting more often in my YouTube comment section or in my DM, asking why the hell clients wanted to pay $97, $297, even $497 for the hosting fees with just a templated website. And we are not just selling the website. The website hosting alone is $97, and we are also selling them a CRM, the backend automation, and AI employee, everything which is coming inside the Go High Level, which is the software we are using to provide the services. And if you are a web designer who doesn't know what hosting fees is, what the domain name is, I'm sorry to say, you're not going to make any money. Even if you are getting any kinds of website, you have to pay for the hosting fees. That's how you host the website inside the Google. And that's how Google will show the website live for their clients. This is how website building works, and this is how you make money with the hosting fees. And some of you guys have been saying that I make all of my money with my affiliates, like Go High Level affiliates. So this is my affiliate payment. I made $400 last month, and I made $600 a month before, and I made $500 on December. So this is how much money I make. The only reason I push my affiliates so that I can help you guys for free. But lately, you guys are even lazy enough to learn free from my side, where I'm spending my own time helping you to get more clients. But it's no longer exists. I stopped working with you guys even for free. And I've also closed my free community, where you can join the community by using my affiliate link, which I've closed because you guys don't do what I ask you to do because it's free. Who cares? So yeah, I closed it down, but I'm sticking with my one-on-one coaching with you guys because that's where people are actually putting their effort and getting some clients. But yeah, if you want some help one-on-one and get some clients as quick as possible, I'll leave a link in the description. Getting straight to the point, we pitch our service as a free website offer, and inside the meeting, we upsell for the 5-page website or the 10-page website to sign them for a high ticket price. Or if we couldn't, we just sell the free website, like a templated website, and we will sign them up for a $97, $297, or $497 hosting fees with the help of the Go High Level backend automation, which is just going to take you 10 to 20 minutes on setup, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But before that, we're going to talk about how we are going to get clients inside our agency, because delivering the service is just going to take you barely like 10, 15 minutes or maximum 20 minutes. That's the easiest part of this business. But getting the clients is a tricky one. at least in the beginning. If you don't know what you're doing, you will not get any clients. Even if you learned the service, how to deliver the service for 6 or 1 year, it doesn't make any sense if you don't get clients to pay for your service, or if you will not make any money. And once you know what to do, only then everything makes sense, and you just have to rinse and repeat the same process again and again and stack clients until you start making 10,000 in monthly recurring revenue, where you don't have to stress about how am I going to get clients for the next month to pay my bills and the rent. That's the best thing about this business model. It's a monthly recurring revenue. Even if you lose one client, which is 97, you'll be still making $8,900 a month. And we literally have lots of different ways to get clients. You can start with your friends and family, do cold calling, cold walk-ins, Facebook group, Instagram DM, cold calling. We have literally everything, and I have done everything myself, and that's the only reason I can give you advice and I can work along with you to help you get clients as soon as possible. The best and most quickest results you will get is by cold calling. Yes, I know it's going to be stressful, but hear me out. This is the only outreach where you can get to talk to your clients the next second and get the either yes or no at the same call compared to all the other outreach. And if you want to get clients the next day or by today, this is the only way you can get clients. What you will do is just go inside Google, search for, pick up any niche and the location. For example, I'm going to pick roofing in London. And this is where you get to see lots and lots of different roofing companies. For example, let's go for the next page. As you can see in the next page, we have this business called Roofing in London Limited, and they don't have a website. So this is how you find the businesses who don't have a website. As you can see, ER Group London, they have a business like website logo on their Google My Business page, but the Roofing in London, they don't, and they only have 3 reviews. And the best thing is they have their own mobile number inside the Google My Business page. You can just pick up a call and start calling. And again, if you are out of the UK and if you still want to target the UK clients, Go High Level provides you with a UK mobile number, which is just going to cost you $1. And after dialing the phone number and giving them a call, use this exact script to book a meeting with this client. Hello?
Hello,
Is it Lens Plumbing?
it is.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys are open. You're still open and doing services, right?
What is it you want done, sir?
Yeah, so believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a free website. I was just looking like 10-15 minutes for a video call. I can show you the website. If you like the website, you can actually have it for free.
You're giving me a website for free?
Yes, in exchange of reviews. If I'll be getting reviews from you, and I'll give you a website for free.
Well, if you're going to give me it for free, I accept.
Yes, let me know when you're free. I can show you the website in a video call. If you liked it, I can connect it to your domain and you can get it for free.
How do you show me?
On a video call, like on a Google Meet.
Google Meet.
Yes, or Zoom, whichever you want. Like I can even do like a WhatsApp video call to show you the website.
So when do we meet?
Let me know when you're free. I can send you the link for the call, and I can show you the website.
Oh, I've got to get a link.
Oh yeah, I'll send you the link, and we will hop on a video call, and I will share you my screen because the website is in my software. It's not live yet. If you send me your domain details, I can connect it to your website and make it live.
I haven't got a website.
You've got a website?
I haven't got one.
Yes. Do you have a domain name for your business?
I have a main link.
Like a domain name, like lensplumbing.com?
Oh, no.
Okay, it's no worries. I'll let you know how to purchase a domain name, and I can connect it to the website, and you can have the website. So if you had a website, you can actually rank your search list on top. At the moment, you are below like 10th list on Google My Business page, and you have like 4 reviews. It can improve your online presence.
I'll take your word for it.
Sorry, mate, I couldn't hear you.
I will take your word for it.
Absolutely.
Through my reviews.
Absolutely, it's a win-win. You are getting a free website, and I'm getting some reviews so that I can get some clients in the future.
Mm-hmm.
So let me know when you're free. We can do a video call, and I can show you the website.
Well, I mean, past 4 or 5 o'clock today.
Yes, that would be nice. I will give you a call at 5.
Okay.
Thanks, mate.
What's
Have a
your
nice.
name?
My name is Goutham.
Gordon.
Have you seen the Batman movie, like the Gotham City?
No.
Yeah, that's my name, Goutham.
Oh, Gotham.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's my name.
Okay. I look forward to it. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you soon.
And as you can see inside the cold calling video, I was selling the meeting, not the website, not the service. Inside the meeting, you will sell the service. That's how it works. And after booking a meeting with the client, this is exactly what I do. I go inside the Canva and I present them this closing script. This is the exact script I've been using for past 3 years, and this is the exact script my coaching members are using to close all those clients in their first 2 weeks or even first week. We will slowly take them to this rabbit hole and show all the things we can provide to our clients. And since this client doesn't have any reviews, they only have 3 reviews. This is what you can also sell to your clients, which is the reputation management, review automation, and after that we will show them their website, and then we show them their investment page and talk them through how they are going to get their website by paying us the $97 hosting fee. And also you have to upsell the unlimited pack with the $997 setup with the 5-page website. Again, the 5 pages is already built in. You just have to change the names and logo and a description, which I will show you in a minute, and charge them the $297. So now you know the business model, how to look for businesses who don't have a website, how to outreach them, how to book a meeting, and how to close the clients. And now this is where we show their website, and this is how you should prepare yourself before going inside the meeting. So this is what happens before the meeting. You go inside website, go inside templates, and click continue. Again, this is go high level. If you want 30-day free trial, there's a link in the description if you want to use it. Go inside search and search for roofing website. As you can see, there are lots of options, but this is what I prefer because this is what I give to my own clients. As you can see, this is a good looking website. You just have to change the names and the description. That's it. So this is where you change the logo. And if they want to change the images or the caption or the services, that's all you need to do. And you don't have to do anything. You can just put the entire screenshot inside Canva, ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will give the description and what your clients wanted to put inside the website. And after that, you'll show the website to your clients, and your clients will be happy because this is what they want. They gave you the list of things they wanted to change, and you changed it. They will love it. You connect the domain name, voila. You signed a client, which is going to pay you $97, $297, or $497. Again, you have the 5 pages over here. So if your client said yes for the 5 page, you go inside the pages and just change the description. That's it. You don't have to build anything from scratch. And I want to mention that this is the simplest business model you can ever find online. And also, it's not easy. It's simple, but it's not easy. That's the only reason why I can still get clients and my coaching member can still get clients. And you guys have been still commenting on my videos and DMs saying I did exactly the same thing that which you showed on YouTube, but I'm still not getting any clients. The reason is I can't really show everything on my YouTube because I don't want to ruin my own business. That's why I don't really show the 10 to 20%, which is the most important thing to get clients. And that's only for my own business. If I showed everything to everyone, that's going to affect my own business. But if you actually want to close some clients as quick as possible, at the moment, I'm helping 2 members at a time for a whole month, setting their business from the scratch and helping them get clients as quick as possible. I do have the link in the description if you want to work one-on-one. I'm not asking you to do. If you want it, that's the link is in the description. And I hope you got some value out of this video, and I am making lots of other valuable videos. If you want to watch those videos, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.